Hey everyone, again another beautiful day out here at the property. It's a little chilly, nothing too bad. Anyways, as I think I mentioned in another video, although I'm not quite sure the sequence I'm going to get these posted in, I've arrived at a point on the build behind me where I've run out of 16-foot 2x6 girts. So I've got to get busy and mill up a few of those today. I'm also going to mill up some 6x6 16-footers for the material to go around the garage door. And that'll be the main activity that you're going to see in this video. I'm going to, again, just be milling. And what I want to do in an upcoming video is give you a review of my Woodland Mills 122. It's a machine that I like, but I want to give you a more comprehensive review. I know that some of you have been asking about it, and a lot of you watch just to see this mill in action. So I'll try to do that in the coming videos. Okay, off to work. Let's get some 16-foot logs milled. Now what I'm doing with this tarp, I don't know if you've seen it in other videos, I like to have the tarp down here to catch the sawdust, because I don't know if this is going to be the permanent home of the sawmill. I just like to try to keep it tidy. So what I do here is I put a tarp down and the sawdust blows onto the tarp, and I then put the tarp in a collection point in the bush at the end of the day. I last used the mill about 3 weeks ago, so I need to check and see if it's still level. This corner's low. And right now I'm doing the pre-start routine. I've got to make sure that my blade, actually, you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to swap out the blade. While I'm here, I'm going to look at the fuel level. Full. Lots of lubrication. I'll check the oil in a second. Drive belt is tight enough. I cleaned it last time, but just making sure it is clean. Yeah, that's clean, ready to go. That's clean. Always use gloves. I strongly recommend it when you're changing out a saw blade. Any little twist or bounce of the blade and you're going to nick your hands. That is without doubt. Okay, that is loosely on there. Checking that the blade is the correct depth on the wheels. You essentially want the back side of the blade flush with the back side of these wheels. And I have a torque wrench over here. And the specifications for this machine is that this is tightened to 25 pounds of torque. That's where I've got my torque wrench set to. So when I hear it click, right there, that's done. Now, give it a test spin and see that the blade sits. Ooh. It's sitting a little bit on the back side. Doing a little adjustment, loosen the tension arm. It's sitting beautifully on this one. Back to 25 pounds torque feet. 25 pounds of torque. I don't know why I said torque feet. Yeah, that's sitting nicely now. Replaced and set to go, all fluid levels checked. Let's see how well it starts after sitting for 4 weeks. Remember, given my schedule with my son this summer, I was not here from 27 August to I think September 2nd. I'm a big fan of protection, guys. Eyes and ears. I like my hearing and I like my sight. Okay, I'm ready to start loading logs onto the deck. Got to get the log stops in place first. Priorities for today: 2 6x6s and 2x6s. That's 1.5 inches thick, but it's about 6 1/4 wide. So I need to trim that a bit to make it a true 2x6. Okay, so what did I get out of this log? I got it, I'll probably use as a sticker or maybe some trim work later on. I've got one full 2x6 right here. I've got something that is a little bit shy of being a 2x6, and I might be able to use that for backer board and support within the shop, buried in the wall. And then of course the 6x6 beam. Excellent. Let's get these off the deck and get them stacked on the trailer over there. Inconvenient at the time, of course. I can't complain though. Let's keep this in perspective. I use that little log ramp system for 72 12-foot spruce logs. You've seen that in a number of past videos. And I've moved the log deck in the sawmill setup. I've been using it for several other logs that I've been milling, including these 16-foot logs, and it was bound to fail. It's a temporary setup, and so I'll have to do some repairs and get it in shape for the next however many logs until I get a true setup for the sawmill. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And apologies in advance, I have again misplaced some footage that I took. The video lasts only another 40 seconds, if that. And unfortunately, I just get started on this log and then it stops because, again, I've misplaced some footage. But regardless, I'm going to be back. I'm going to be back with some more videos, putting up more walls, and of course, milling logs. Thanks for watching.